Hi, my dear parents. Thank you so much for working with us to make these online teachings huge success. We're getting a lot of compliments from the parents that children are enjoying this experience and then they're learning a lot of things. Thank you for working us and always staying in touch with us. Today, I want to talk to you about the unit tests, the assessments that are going to happen, and what is the pattern that we are going to follow. First of all, why are we conducting the assessments? The purpose of the assessments is to check if the children are understanding and gaining out of these online classes, and also are they putting in the adequate effort at their ends. So this is the purpose. We just want to, whatever the test we will be covering, whatever has been done in the classes or whatever content has been shared with you, that's all we intend to cover. And we just want to see how much the child is understanding, क्या घर पे वो adequate effort डाल रहे हैं, are they doing their homeworks. This is the only purpose, that is the purpose of the assessments. Now I'm going to explain you the scheme of the assessment, how the assessments will be conducted. For classes 3rd to 5th, we are going to conduct oral assessments. So there will be slots prepared with 10 to 12 students and you will be sent the slot of your child. The children will be made to wait in the waiting room. They will join that particular meeting and one by one they will be allowed in the meeting, where the teacher will be asking them some questions which can be in the form of fill-ups, one-word answers, MCQs. So there will be 5 marks test. This is going to be. For mathematics, there will be 5 multiple choice questions. The child will be given 10 minutes to attempt them and then they will be telling the answers to the teachers. So that's the pattern of assessments for classes 3rd to 5th. Now talking about classes 6th onwards, there we are going to conduct written assessments. So what will be the pattern? There will be around 10 students in each slot. Every child has to sit with their cameras on, and that will also be same for classes 3rd to 5th, because otherwise we will have to mark them 0, and it is very important so that we can see if the child is attempting the exam all by himself or he or she is taking somebody's help. So everybody has to sit with their cameras on. First, on the screen we will be sharing the questions. So question bank aayega and children will be given 7 minutes to copy the questions. 7 minutes diye jayenge when they will be copying the questions. After that, the questions will be removed and children will have 20 minutes to attempt the paper. In this 20 minutes, they will be attempting. So what a child needs to be prepared with is they should have plain sheet of paper with their name, roll number, class, section written on each sheet. That's what they, on both the sides of the sheet, because later you're going to send us the pictures. So on both the sides of the sheet, please ensure the child has already written these details, which is name, class, section, roll number. All these details should be on the sheet and they should have the adequate stationery required that they will be needing for the exam. After 20 minutes, the child will show the answer sheet to the teacher, who will click a screenshot, and then the answer sheet will have to be mailed at the email address shared with you. So you will be emailing and the email should reach us within 5 minutes. Please ensure, it is very important that the email should come to us within 5 minutes. Now, what is the purpose? So all this entire exam is going to be conducted and we are not going to be with the kids. So your role and responsibility here becomes very, very important. Because although we are watching the children, it is you who can make this process completely foolproof. Because you will have to ensure that the child takes the exam seriously. There's nobody helping the child or there are no books. Though we will be keeping a watch on them through the cameras, but you have to become our eyes in this case. You have to support and help us. Because the purpose is not how much the child scores, but to check how much the child knows. Scoring and knowing may not be the same, but we want to evaluate the child completely. So I hope the children will sit for the exams seriously and they will put their heart and soul into the preparation of the exams. Let's make this process fruitful. On Friday, we will be conducting mock assessments in the Zoom sessions so that the children can get an experience of what they will be facing from Monday onwards. So we are going to have mock assessments also. So please ensure the child attends the class on Friday so that they can get an experience of this. That's all about the assessments. Please stay safe. A lot of places have opened, we understand. But our safety is in our hands. And so is the safety of all the family members. So we have to keep ourselves inside, we should go out only for the necessary work, and we have to take the necessary precautions. Please take care of our children because they are with you all the time now. We are working with them on their learning, and we are putting in heart and soul, and we are working extra hard at our ends to make the learning as fulfilling as possible. And I hope you will keep supporting us. Take care, and my dear students, good luck for the exams. Take care. Bye.